taking advantage that we are in the offices of SMTO and also we have the global team of ViTrox's, I had the opportunity to talk with Ken. Ken, how are you doing, buddy?
Nice to meet you, Joseph. I'm doing good. How about you?
Well, I'm doing great. I see that you have really good communication with all your team. I had previous conversations with Carlos, also with Z. He spoke a little bit about you, all the operations in Americas, and I know you are in charge of all of that. How you see on the market? How is your operation right now, amigo?
Yeah. For the whole, currently I'm taking care of the whole America's markets, and I'm seeing that compared to last year, the whole market station is kind of soft and stable. But for ViTrox, we are doing quite well. As last year we did work with SMTO, we did open a new office in Chihuahua.
Yes.
Because Chihuahua is one of the biggest electronic manufacturing industry in Mexico as well. So we did great in last year, and this year we are seeing also from the first quarter of this year, from the beginning of the year, initially we thought that the start will be like slow and steady,
Yes.
but instead it's in the opposite. We actually do have like several new technologies, and a lot of customers, they have actually purchased it, and it become a very busy and also packed quarter one in 2025.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You know what? Actually, I'm seeing that your results are proven, are good. Because now that I'm seeing that you're opening a new office in Mexico, independent of what is SMTO, I know you have a really good relationship with them, but also you're putting your own facilities right there to
Yes.
offer better support. That is part of the conversation that I had with Carlos. However, I see your results, amigo, because you are collaborating hand by hand with Carlos as well to develop this market. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, you are right, Joseph. Carlos is actually our man in Mexico that handle the direct contact with the customers and also with our channel partner SMTO.
Yeah.
And actually, with the additions of Carlos, it did help us a lot in Mexico, where we have a local people that can speak Spanish that help to broaden the whole markets in Mexico. And not only that, Carlos has a good relationship with our customer. He has a very wide network that had helped us to expand our business in Mexico as well. Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's amazing, buddy. I think it's really good and really good result of the collaboration that you have with all the people in your team. So how is everything in terms of because we are having this kind of tariffs right now,
Yeah.
and it's complex. 2024 was a complex year
Yes.
with the investments, with to know what's gonna be for 2025. But right now we're living on this, so the market is has a challenge right now
Yes.
with the projects that we had in the EMS companies.
Mm.
So OEMs, I think, is the same thing.
Yes.
More for automotive
Mm.
is under pressure in different projects that we have right now are on hold.
Yes.
But how you see this and how you are managing this kind of troubles or I guess situations.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I just had the visit in the last 2 weeks with all the customer in Mexico. I can see that the current situation is the customer is now kind of be more conservative in terms of spending.
Yeah.
So some project is like on hold in the moment, but we are not thinking about that. What we are doing is that we continue to expand our business. For example, this year, SMT also working with us. They are setting up a demo office in Monterrey.
Yes.
And we don't want to stop because of the market is on hold. We continue to expand our team because we continue to put our demo machines there, and we want to use this opportunity while the market is slow. We are trying to create more exposure in the market so people know our brands. And when the opportunity is come, the market is recovering, then we have more opportunity for them to know us, and then we have more opportunity in the future.
Yeah, absolutely. I think is when the industry is decelerating,
Yeah.
you should be strong. And I think many of the conversations that I had again was about that's gonna take probably just 4 years. After that, semiconductors, for example, is getting really strong over here in Mexico, and different companies for manufacturing EMS will diversify right there.
Correct.
To have participation in that kind of manufacturing,
Hmm.
manufacturing as well. So I think it's congruent what you are saying with the same situation that we're living in Mexico.
Hmm.
You know,
Yeah. As a matter of fact, semicon industry is also has been growing a lot. All the chips, AI related has been growing as well. You may know that. And ViTrox's business, we are not just focused on merely the SMT vision inspection solutions like the common AOI, SPI, AXI solutions. We do have our semicon inspections machines that mainly focus on wire bond inspections, lead frame inspections or system in package inspections, or even we have working with one of our biggest customer in Mexicali on the die chip inspections with using the infrared solutions. So we are diversify our portfolio to cater much more different industry like back-end semiconductor and even SMT industry. So this actually make us to have a lot of tools when the opportunity come, and then we can grab the business as much as possible.
yeah, that's right. That is part of the thing that I'm saying. Is like if you're getting prepared
Hmm.
for the after 4 years that we gonna have this situation with the US, you'll be ready for the next industries.
Correct.
Coming for this. For example, the other day I heard that industries has this kind of thing as condition air or things like that. The all the climate change is trying to empower other industries, in electronics. So that brings the idea of different partners and principals to go there and explore with research and development how they can improve their equipment to be ready for that kind of projects as well, in terms of simulation, inspection, blah, blah, it's different kind of things. But that is the direction that we're following right now, globally talking. What do you think?
Yeah, in terms of all these climate change topic that you mentioned, all these things, of course, all these equipment when they are doing in terms of electronic manufacturing, they will require to impose some of the material like conformal coatings on the PCB board that they need to protect the PCB for those extreme climate. Yeah, talking about that, we do collaborate with our EMS. We do offer the solutions for that. Like for example, we have the conformal coating inspections machines. That is a new generations of our conformal coating inspection machines by using the industrial robotic arm, which provide a much more faster inspection speed. Where the customer, one of the customer in automotive, like automotive boards, sometimes they need to survive in like harsh environments. So they need the conformal coating, and the customer actually is quite interested in the whole new concept, which is I think we are the top in the market or the one within the market that offer the robotic arm solutions for conformal coating inspections. And also we have the 3D capabilities that to help to provide side angle inspections to inspect the pin that is hidden from the top view. So with this, actually, it helps us to broaden out our markets. And with the conformal coating inspections, all this, it can provide a better coverage to the customer. And this is actually is newly launched. We have a lot of orders coming in now, and we look forward to have more opportunity together with in the Mexico market.
Amazing, buddy. Amazing, amigo. So I'm gonna stop the chapter right here. I think we had a really good conversation, and I expect to see you more often over here in Mexico. Okay?
Sure, Joseph. Look forward to see you more. Thank you for the interview.
That's it. Thank you very much, amigo.
Thank you.
Gracias.